Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to custom number formatting in Google Sheets. So let's started. At first, open your Google Sheets file. Firstly, in this video, I'll show that custom number formatting. Now select on the first data option. Now going to the format menu option. Then click for the number option. Then click for the custom format number option. Then type from the 0.0 comma k and click for the apply option. That's it. Then again another text option. Now for select. Now going to the format menu option. Then click for the number option. Then click for the custom number option format. Then for click, then keyboard press from the 0.0 double comma double quotation m, then again double quotation, then click for apply. That's it. Then I show custom number formatting in Google Sheets is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for